Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a zero VAT return. Even if your business hasn't made any sales or purchases subject to VAT, or if all your transactions are exempt, you still need to inform the tax authorities. Filing a zero return confirms your business activity for the period, ensuring compliance and avoiding potential penalties. It's a straightforward process once you understand the key steps involved. You'll typically file a zero VAT return when your business has had no taxable sales or purchases within a given period. This also includes situations where all your sales are exempt from VAT, meaning you don't charge it and can't reclaim it. Furthermore, if your business has temporarily ceased trading but remains VAT registered, a zero return is necessary to maintain your compliance status. To file online, first log in to your government's official tax portal using your business credentials. Once inside, locate the VAT return section. You'll then need to enter a zero in all the boxes that typically report sales, purchases, and VAT amounts. Double-check that all relevant fields are correctly marked as zero before finally submitting your return. It's a quick process. Remember, even for a zero VAT return, submitting it by the deadline is crucial to avoid any late filing penalties. It's also vital to maintain accurate records for all your business activities, even during periods of zero VAT. If you're ever unsure about your specific VAT obligations or whether a zero return is appropriate for your situation, it's always best to consult with a qualified tax advisor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.